I'm gonna be real, I do not know why these boxes are so huge, but craft day is here. Let's go inside and open it up. You know what, guys? I was going to go through all those boxes you just saw, but I realized I have some stuff from Spellbinders, the monthly kits, my, what's it called, the small die, and the Glimmer of the Month that I pick up on my own. Came in, plus some other items from HSN that I had picked up like right around craft day, but before it, so those already showed up. So I think in this video, instead of going through all those boxes, even though I want to, I'll just leave it for the morning. Even right now, I was just sitting here like, I don't know what I was thinking, because I was like, oh, I'll just do it tomorrow. But then it occurred to me that that means in one of those boxes is the new Crafter's Companion Ultimate Verse Compendium. So I was like, you know what? I'll just unbox this and then I'll do a haul tomorrow, okay? So tomorrow, keep an eye out for the haul, because otherwise the video is going to be really long. It's a lot of stuff, and especially with the other things that I picked up recently that I was kind of just waiting until the craft stuff came in. So let's open it up. The box is a pretty good size. I don't know if you can see, and hopefully you guys are having yours. It says this is number 3,346 of 8,250. Okay, and then it looks like everything is... What is going on? Oh, okay. Oh, well. On the very top, it looks like you have a bunch of things, but really it's just this box. And now we have another box underneath. So let me get rid of this fluff and stuff. Yeah, I don't know why that other box is so big. I did order a couple of the paper packs from Anna Griffin. Well, let me back up 1 second. Any links I have in the description box are affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you're purchase items to those links. Having said that, I don't know if any of this stuff is still available. Something's sold out. I know they said they had sold out of this craft, this verse thing. But then after craft day, I saw they still had the single ship option available. So, and it was, $10 more than the Today Special pricing. But I picked up... You know how I got the Anna Griffin, look at that, it's so pretty. I'm telling you, I have a box just like this. It's an Estee Lauder box that had nail polish, I think, in it or something, but it was big like this. And I have a Julep box very similar too. Julep is another nail company. The Create event kit, right? I unboxed with you guys. That was so much fun. I did pick up the paper for it. Oh my gosh, I can't remember which one it is right now. Because I know they had like, what? Handsome or Happy, or I can't remember the names. the 4 different names of the 4 different paper packs. The one that had the black paper with the flowers, I did pick up that by itself. I'll have the link for you guys because that was gorgeous. And then I picked up her rose paper pack, which is just really pretty papers with stickers and everything. Those like 3D stickers that she does. So I picked that up. Obviously those things are probably in this box. I also picked up the Crafter's Companion Chinoiserie. I don't know how you say that. And then one other paper kit she came out with. I can't remember the name of it right now. Same with the dies and all that kind of stuff like she does. Okay, well, let me just open both these up. No, there's, and then lots of fun stuff I picked up for myself this time around. Okay, so there's the binder, but let's move that out of the way for now, and we'll look at this. So this very much has a feel of like one of her craft boxes, that even the box that came in looked like one of the sub-box boxes. The Ultimate Verse Compendium, it says. There's one stationary binder, which is over there, I believe, unless it's this that she's talking about, but 32 envelope seals, 16 vellum inserts, 134 clear stamps, 16 paper inserts, 32 card blanks, a crystal pen, and envelopes. And I know that there was... more card blanks you can pick up for this, but I really just wanted this for the stamps and the verses and stuff, so it wasn't so much for that part. But if they look really nice, then maybe I'll pick some up if they still are available. The Ultimate Verse Compendium, always pretty. I love the colorway on this, just like a little peachy tone, so pretty. Oh, yay! Okay. Maybe I should have done this a live video, but that's okay. So we have envelope seal stickers. So the new packaging is that they are going to have paper packaging like this, which is a lot of fun because it's basically like opening a little gift. And I like to just cut them. If you want to do whatever, just preserve them, I just give them a little slice there. Envelope seal stickers. I should have done this earlier. I'm so sorry. I mean, it only arrived like at 6 o'clock anyway, so I guess it's not too late. But actually, what time is it right now? It just seems dark. It's been overcast the last couple days. Really pretty stickers. They are, of course, clear. I don't know if you can... Well, you know what? I say that, but maybe they're white. They look clear. Okay, they're clear. Yeah. Yeah. Which is much prettier. Really pretty. I mean, why not? Gorgeous. Okay, card blanks. This is so pretty. Of course, I got mine with the auto ship because, you know, that's what I gotta do. I love the colorway on this. I think the auto ships are gonna be different colorways. And then like another, it's a stamp set plus more of these guys, basically. Really gorgeous color. This is, I didn't even pay attention to be honest. Today's special, like the whole thing, I was like, well, I'm gonna buy it. I already knew that. I think I ordered it at 11 o'clock or earlier in the day because they had launched it the previous day, kind of earlier. So there's white card bases, kind of like a yellow base. It's a really pretty color. And then this pinky coral color, which I just am in love with. And of course, I think they've trained us for this because why all of a sudden do I love coral? Everyone loves coral. It's like, because obviously these companies put out that coral and then we're like, oh, we love coral. All right. I think is what happened. And it's also spring, I guess, but it's the color for the year, I suppose. Vellum inserts. Okay. I'm being careful. The paper is not super thin on these, so don't be scared, but really, really pretty. So those card blanks, there's got to be other ones because that was like a 4x6 size, which these guys can go in with. Look at this. Of course, I'm going to do a tutorial or review of this. It's so pretty. I would be so afraid. I'm going to be afraid to stamp on this because what if you mess it up and it's this beautiful insert, right? But we have lots of ways to stamp, hopefully perfectly. So I think we're going to be okay. You know, with your precision tools or even a placement thing like this guy, even though they don't really sell these anymore. Well, they don't sell this particular one, but Art Impressions has a placement kit. I think Wendy Vecchio, is that her name? It has one too, so it'll make it a little bit easier, but these are really pretty. And then these also are in different colors. Again, that pinky coral, that peachy color, and then like a white. And then, of course, these are more like 5x7. You know, I just guessed at that. I'm assuming it's like 4x6. Yeah, these are a little bit smaller than 4x6 so that they nest inside your card. And then the card blanks again for the 5x7. I would assume. Again, those same colorways. You know, they're nice and thick. Other than that, there's nothing super special about these. It's just, well, I will show that they are the same color on the inside. Hope you can see as they are. So that's kind of cool. Double-sided paper. And then a nice color that, you know, you can write on. It's not going to be something where you can't see. Or unless, well, obviously you're going to use that insert too, which is really pretty. So, envelopes. I wish I should have done it live. Sorry, guys. Envelopes feel very nice. You know, it's nice for an envelope. Nice weight. Again, for the smaller and for the larger, and it's, again, same colors, the pink and the peach and the white. Oh my gosh, guys, I should move a little faster, shouldn't I? What is this? Okay, this is weird. This insert thing. Maybe, I don't know. Let me see what this says. Foiled inserts. The box itself is also very nice. I'll talk about that in a second. Let's see here. Oh, you know what? Okay, well, you know what? I always cut them. This was not that sticky. I was always afraid it's going to tear the paper, but you know, it's not too bad, guys. So if you want to just move it, that's fine too. Hold on a second. Sorry, I asked the kids to go up for a moment while we do this. Yeah, so it's not super sticky. I guess I should have tested that before. I've always just cut them. But you can just peel it up. That's nicer. This says foiled inserts, so let me open this up. So pretty. You know, I was into making card inserts, right, for a little while, and I try to remember to do that sometimes here and there, but they just look so nice. And, I mean, you can do your own thing. You know, in other videos, like I've shown, I use that Arteza paper that's a little bit thinner. It feels kind of like this, like slick and pretty. And it's just a nice weight, so you can just pop your little sentiment on there and put it inside your card. And then our crystal pen, and let me open this way and see if I don't tear it. Yeah, it's okay. Just be careful. It looks like it might tear. Right? It looks like it was tearing a little bit there. Oh, a pretty little pen just to go along with it to finish it up. Twist it. I'm sure it writes nicely. I'm just going to write on this because, yeah, ready to go. Nice weight. I mean, it's a nice little addition. Okay, so I was just thinking this feels weird, but I guess it's just this way to hold the stuff in place. I don't know. I'm just gonna put that back over there. Let's pop everything else back in carefully. I don't want to wrinkle any of my papers. Very cute. Okay, so that's the extras, you know, for the actual card making. I guess they're not extras, it's what you want. But for me, this is what I was getting this for. So let's open up this other guy. And unfortunately, this is as far up as I can get my camera, so... Oh my gosh. I have some spellbinders here, stuff here that I want to review or try out, and I keep putting it in front of me to remember to do a video, and it keeps falling. I'm gonna take this wrapper off real quick. So, to be honest, I was a little bit surprised at the pricing on this one. I thought, in my mind, I was like, when I saw the preview, I'm like, oh, it's probably gonna be like 50 bucks. No, it wasn't like 50 bucks. But, oh my gosh, okay. Sorry, that wrapper wasn't coming off. That looks like the back, so let me turn over this way. It was a little higher than that. It has an interesting scent coming off of here. These are not photopolymer, they're acrylic. It has little stuff to keep it nice. Oh yeah, the binder feels super thick, super nice. Reminds me a lot about the Create event. It's very thick chipboard. I know sometimes we, you know, something's in a box and the chipboard, it's fine. But this is like really heavy duty, and so is this one. It's really pretty. Really nice. I love the rose gold accents in this binder and everything. Love it. And then we have, you know, birthday female. Birthday male. Thank you. Okay, well, let's go through birthday female. So, you know, may your day be filled with joy. I mean, that can be anybody. It's just, I'm sure some of the things on here are maybe a little more girly. I don't know. Warmest wishes for a very happy birthday. I mean, with love on your special day. Have a fabulous day. I mean, I don't know. A lot of these I wouldn't mind. Celebrate your special day in style. I guess it's a little more female or feminine, should I say. And this one's the birthday and male. I guess it's the font, possibly. May your birthday be a special celebration. We hope all your wishes come true. Stay young at heart. I mean, a lot of these I think are interchangeable, but that's just what they have on here. Best wishes on your birthday. Treat yourself to some birthday fun and have a brilliant day. I mean, I don't know. Thank you. Thank you for being there. A very big thank you. I mean, there's, you know, you are too kind. Thank you. And maybe my palm of my hand can show you kind of the sizing on this. Maybe this ruler here will give you some idea on sizing. I'll just set this here. This is 0, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. They're not huge, but I think they'd be great for the inside of a card. And even the outside, you know, I don't know. Sometimes we want really big sentiments, and that's a different story. But these are a nice size. It was so nice of you. Thank you so much. Again, these are acrylic stamps. They have a good cling. I mean, they feel like any other acrylic stamp. With sympathy. There are tons, because I'm not, you know why I felt so thick? Because there's a big piece of foam right here. But there are quite a few stamp sets here. With thoughts of you and your family, please remember that you are not alone. We are always here for you. You are in my thoughts. Our hearts are with you. I mean, again, with sympathy. Sharing in your sorrow with love and friendship. We have with love, sending you all my love, always. You are my reason to believe, with lots of love, always. With love on this special day, you make my heart smile. You are loved. All things grow with love. I mean, there's endless love, forever yours. Really nice. I'm sorry about the lighting if it's crazy, but it's going into evening, and what else? What can I do? Maybe like this a little bit? Nah. This one is thinking of you. I mean, look at this one. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you'll ever know. You make my heart smile, sending you a hug. Even though we are miles apart, please know I keep you in my heart. Oh, that's a good one. Just to say I'm thinking of you. You are on my mind and in my prayers. Thinking of you on your special day. I mean, there's lots of thinking of you. Congratulations. Wishing you all the very best. You did it. I always like something like that. That's cute. So proud of you. Heartfelt congratulations to you. The world is your oyster. I'm so happy for you. Best of luck in your new adventure. Let's celebrate in style. I mean, I'm just reading a few of the things. Over the moon for you. That's a cute one. Inspirational. May all your dreams come true. The best is yet to come. You got this. Tough times don't last. Tough people do. Great things never come from comfort zones. So there you go. To the world, you are someone, but to someone, you are the world. This is a sweet one. It's kind of nice, right? The past is your lesson, the present is your gift, the future is your motivation. What's meant to be will always find a way. And then other things. I'm just reading a few. Heartfelt. Oh my, you know what? My throat's getting a little bit dry. Hold on. Okay, I normally talk a lot, but for some reason, just reading these things took, oh no, I'm gonna drop something over here. Let me move this guy out of the way. Birthdays are filled, oh, so this one says heartfelt. Birthdays are filled with yesterday's memories, today's joys, and tomorrow's dreams. You're a star, just to say, that's great news. You are enough. I mean, enjoy the little things. Congratulations. Sending these wishes just for you to hope that all your dreams come true. That's a cute one. And then that piece of foam that was keeping it nicely. So really nice. You know, that's my first impression here. We will try it out. I'm sure it's great. Basically, you're supposed to take that, stamp it in your little thing, you know, put it together, and then you have a card. But of course, the front of your card has not been decorated yet. So as far as I like it, I don't know if it's a comprehensive kit, right? You would think that maybe if it had a couple dies so that you can cut some of the sentiments and pop them on the front or something like that, that'd be good. But we have lots of dies, so I don't think that's the goal of this set, as it was called, you know, verse stamps or whatever. I already forgot the name of the kit, but the ultimate verse compendium. So that's what it's more about. I have tons of dies, not the biggest deal, but you are going to have to figure out something nice for the front, right? So isn't that always the thing? Usually we do the front and then we're like, I didn't put anything on the inside. And then now we have the stuff for the inside. Well, now what are we going to put on the front? Got to bring it together. Okay. We will do that. We will do that very soon. So thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to open this up, and then tomorrow I'll do the haul, and then we'll start playing with all that good stuff. I mean, there's quite a bit in there. Hope you guys are doing well. Spring is sprung, at least it has over here. I know it's still wintry in some places, huh? So stay warm out there, and take care and stay comfortable. All right, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.